Hey guys, this is Poetspice Jamie Lilly, and I am here to do another installment of the Anna Griffin collab for August. So, awesome sauce. Thank you guys for watching and supporting us and visiting. Don't forget that you can play along. Just put the information in the description box below in your video and use the hashtag so we can all see it. So definitely play along. Definitely play along. Also, if you're interested in seeing this collab continue for the rest of the year or the next month or so, let me know that in the description box below as well. And you can do the same thing as to whether you would like to see the UK craft one continue. So I'm going to show you what I used from Anna Griffin this time. So I have this window frame card making kit, and as you know, if you've been on my channel, I do not tend to make matchy-matchy. So I have taken a bunch of stuff out of here and mixed it with other items and other of her items and stuff that's not even supposed to go together, but you'll see how that came out. So this card kit, I used some items out of here as usual, because I'm trying to actually use that card kit up. I used this snow globe easel die. Okay, you see I still have paper in it, which this is a fabulous easel die. Now I will say the difference between this and some of her other ones, this will fit on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. Just barely, but it'll fit, okay? Some of her other dies will not fit on an 8.5 by 11. You'll have to use either A4, which is UK, or you have to use 12 by 12. Okay, I also used the Christmas tree from last year. And I actually used both of these. So I used that. And I used this die, which I could also put on for my Craft Vault collab, because I've had this for a while and I've not used it. So this is the first time I've used this one. Okay, so those are the 4 things that I've used from Anna. And then whatever scraps and stuff were around from various companies. So we will start. Now, all of them don't have sentiment. Some do, some don't. So we start with the snow globe. And I've done, it's white with a shimmer card. I don't know if you can see the shimmer. And so you can see that the backing card or the base card is just plain white. So it's got the shimmer card. I used some Anna Griffin. Oh, I guess I used some paper from the Christmas set last year. So you can see that label and so forth. And then there's a shadow piece behind those Christmas trees. And you can see those dies. And then the piece that cut out here in the center, I used on the inside at the top. And then I used another piece with some foam tape. And there's an Anna Griffin bow from that kit. And of course, it's an easel card, because I can't stop making them. I can't stop making them. I don't know why. So there you go with that. Love that. Okie dokie then. Next, I took this card. This is a UK card base, so it's a bit bigger than our 5x7. And I cut those Anna Griffin trees 3 different times, and you can see where it was embossed. So you can see the embossing. And then you can see that these actually lift up. So you don't glue them down, they'll just lift up like that to give you a 3-dimensional look. So that's awesome. Ooh, sorry, just twisted that. And then, so there's one of those labels, a Merry Christmas. Now, this is a Crafter's Companion die for Merry Christmas. I gotta get some of this glue off here, but I needed a sentiment that would fit. And then on the inside, I used that Anna Griffin piece from the card kit, and then some of the gold Christmas trees from that set. So there's that one. Now, this is an example. This is more like a traditional Anna Griffin card, I guess you would say. I took a card base from that same UK pack, but it's got a gold lattice or checkerboard in the back. And so I took a bunch of the items out of that paper kit and I put them here. So I popped up the frame from that, and I put the pieces, the flower pieces and the foil and so forth around the frame and threw it inside it. So there is some dimension to it. Not a ton, but there's some. This is one of the sentiments. Today is your day. Then on the inside, I took another one of those frames, and then instead of putting the cream in it, I went and used one of the layers of green, and then I put another flower here. So I still have a ton of these flowers left. So I would put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 flower die cuts on here, and I still have a ton of these left. So there's that one. And then finally, this is that Gatefold card. So I used some Crafter's Companion paper. No, this is Hunky Dory. And so here's the front. Excuse me. And so this is with the medallion in there. I cut it 3 times, once out of gold, and then 2 times out of 110 cardstock, so it'd be thicker. Then I put one of those Anna Griffin foil pieces on top of that. And then here's the Gatefold card. So what it does is that whole piece cuts out, that big die cuts out this whole piece like that. And then you score it again to fold it. And then you have your Gatefold. And here's your medallion. You can use it like this. You could do a belly band, whatever. So I glued it down on one side like that. So then when you open it, it looks like this, and there's some gold, and then another layer of the yellow, some Anna Griffin pieces here, and one of her sentiments that you can put on the card. So to you, friend, with all my love. So it could be birthday card, congratulation card, whatever you want to do with it. Another thing you can do with this kind of die is like you could cut this and then put flowers on top. So you could cut this flower out and put it on top. I wish they had added those like they did the other ones, but that would have made the die more expensive. So so those are my 4 pieces for Anna this week. Definitely go check out the other ladies. Don't forget to play along, because we would like to see what you are doing with your Anna Griffin supplies. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and yeah, so check out the other ladies, and then be safe out there. Goodbye.